Good morning, OPOS stars. I'm going to do the tomato brinjal chutney again. Last time I did it, I burnt it because the layering was wrong. Let me tell you what went wrong and tell you how to fix this. Start the timer. Start with, that's 1.5 tablespoons. So that is 3 tablespoons of oil. 1/4 teaspoon of mustard, and we need the onions to be roasted. Last time the problem was with very little contact area. The area over which the ingredient touched the bottom was very little, which caused the burning. So I'm going to fix it by ensuring that as much of the bottom is covered with ingredients as possible. So let me show you how to do that. So instead of adding coconut as a pot and pot, I'm going to add it straight so that a part of the bottom is covered, and some green chilies. It's very easy to go wrong unless you get the layering right. Tomatoes as they are. The tomatoes actually do not cover anything because the contact area is very less. The rest of the area we need to fill up with eggplant. Try to get as much of the eggplant to touch the bottom as possible. Now I think the bottom is reasonably covered and we shouldn't be facing any burning. The pressure should build up in 2 to 3 minutes and there should hardly be any burn. Try to get some of the curry leaves to touch the bottom. Some tamarind. Close. Cook on high. Should get the first whistle, sorry. Should get the first whistle in under 5 minutes. And we'll remove the coconut, tamarind, green chili, blend it all together, mash up everything to get our chutney. So I'll show you what went wrong the last time. This is the pot I used for the last time. You'll see the blackened areas here. This is where ingredient touched the bottom. So the contact area was roughly less than 50%, which is the reason the charring was heavy and the pressure did not build up. Hopefully it won't happen this time. The pressure should build up in less than maybe 6 minutes maximum. And we should get a couple of whistles before 7 minutes. Let's see if it happens. Once you open, remove the coconut. You need the coconut to be roasted. I added coconut and as PIP, they got roasted. But then the contact area was too less, which caused burning. So I've added it straight this time and let's see if it works better. White smoke is an indicator of trouble. If you see white smoke, then it's certain that burning has already started. So immediately switch off, figure out what went wrong and correct it. Now the pressure is building up. I don't think we should face any burning this time around. So in the initial couple of minutes, the mustard will get fried, and by then the pressure would have built up and prevent the mustard from getting burnt. So for the first couple of minutes or so, it behaves exactly like an open pot. There is no white smoke so far. There you go. So once we address the problem of the contact area, everything works fine. Two, I'll let it go for one more whistle. That's it. Switch off. Release the pressure. Remove the coconut, the green chili, tamarind, blend it into a paste, mash up everything and mix on. That's it. Just remove the coconut. If you can filter out the excess oil if you like. If you do not want so much of oil, you can just filter it out. In fact, I'll do so. Just filter out the excess oil. Add the salt, and I'll also add a tomato so that there is enough material for everything to get blended. More tomatoes to save the hassle of oops, I don't want to blend the mustard. So I think that is it. Add it back. Oops. Mix it all up. A bit of water, and mash up everything. The eggplant has cooked to a mush. If you want, you can blend everything in the blender itself, but this gives a nice coarse texture to the chutney. If you are planning to put everything into a blender, then ensure that mustard is kept in PIP. Because if you blend mustard, you're likely to get a bitter taste. So that is our brinjal tomato chutney. Done and dusted in less than 10 minutes from scratch. No burning. This is the difference between the right layering and the wrong layering. Between less contact area and sufficient contact area. Get your basics right so that you don't face problems like this. Thank you very much.